Hi, you guys, and good morning, and welcome to Social with Rocky. I am super excited today because something amazing just happened with Instagram. So, when Instagram shuts down, every time it shuts down, I always think they're planning something big, and it may or may not be real and it may be fake, but who cares? I just like the excitement of thinking that they're doing something new. So, as I was going live this morning, I was talking about Mercury retrograde and all these great things, and I was live on Instagram, and this little icon popped off at the bottom with a gallery, and I was like, a gallery on Instagram while I'm going live? Like, what is this? So I selected it, and the picture that I selected showed up while I was going live. So it was like I could show pictures, videos, all kind of stuff, you guys. It's super duper amazing. So I was like, wow, mind blown. So I stopped in the middle of my Instagram live I had a squirrel moment. I stopped in the middle of my Instagram live just to show off this new feature. I'm dumb excited because if you are a coach, an entrepreneur, a business person, a behind the scenes person, somebody, a teacher that wants to show slideshows or anything like that, this is absolutely perfect. Okay, you guys? So, if you've never gone live on Instagram, now is the time to go live on Instagram because now you can teach, coach with ease. Watch this video.
My students know that I love learning new stuff about Instagram. This is a game changer. So check this out, you guys. You can share photos while you are going live. I'm done. And video. Lean with it, rock with it, low will. Swag out with the flow, real quick, hit that elbow. Oh my God, she's a game changer. Oh my God. That is, oh. Okay, I'm done. Alright, I'm done. Like, oh, and I can make it small and big. Okay, I'm done, you guys. Okay, sorry. Move it on. Let me stop screaming for a minute.
So, how super dope was that? I'm excited, and you should be excited too. So, if you are a business coach, an educator, or somebody that can use slideshows, you can now pretty much use slideshows on your Instagram live. I'm going to utilize the feature, and I hope you do too. So, comment below on how you are going to utilize this feature and if it works it, or even if you even have the feature, because Instagram's funny like that. Like sometimes they send out the features to some people just to beta test it, and others don't get it, and it sucks. I still don't have the Instagram name tag thing. Pretty weird. But let me know how it works for you and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way you can get all the updated features, tips, and tricks for your business startup. Follow me on Instagram at Rocky Media Expert, ROCKI Media Expert, and I'm on Twitter as well, Rocky Media X. And also, excuse me, and also follow me on Facebook on my Facebook page, Social with Rocky. So I hope this excites you as much as it has excited me, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.